Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy J Spence and this is J Spence TV. We're about to get it. Welcome back. So I've been driving around this Subi for a few days now and it is amazing. It's amazing. At first I didn't know about the rev hang until somebody mentioned it to me. So then after that I started paying attention to the speedometer or the odometer, there you go. And that's when I noticed it, especially when I threw it into neutral and it just hung there for about a good half a second to a second and then it dropped. So I was like, okay. So I did my research and I found out what needs to be done. So with that being said, let me show you what I got. It's right here. We're gonna unbox this package. You should know what it is already. You should already know. But if you don't, I got me a Cobb Accessport. Yes, a Cobb Accessport. So let's unbox this bad boy and see what's in here. I mean, it's just like the Mazda Speed that I had. Get a little keychain, little tag. I'm gonna leave that for the side. Stage 1 and Stage 1 power package. Put that to the side. Little mount. Probably, no, I'm not gonna be using that one. Got a message. And the OBD2 to the Accessport cable. Standard, you know. It said, had the Mazda Speed 3 and I actually had the Accessport on there, so this is nothing new to me. But for you guys didn't see me install it on the car. So that's actually what we're gonna be doing today. Here's a faceplate. A back plate, the USB cable to connect it to the computer, so if I want to do a new tune, update the software, firmware, whatever, I have this bad boy. A little phone, and just the instructions on how to install it. It's pretty simple, straightforward. And the holy grail, the Accessport. Maps are preloaded, so right now, once I install it and load it, I'm going to load up the Stage 1 map, which just get rid of the rev hang and see where it goes from there. And the next thing that I have is the Accessport mount for the driver's side vent. So I don't want to have stuff hanging there. I'd rather have something that's kind of firmly secure. So why not? I'm going to just put this on there and hopefully it'll work for the better. If not, I don't know where to mount that. Somewhere over here, the mount that came with it. No, that's not it. You get what I'm saying. So let's get to it. Let's get this installed, tune the car, and take it for a drive. My GoPro is charged and it works now. So let's get to it. All right. We are back and we're here in the car. And we're gonna get this install started. First, we're gonna remove the vent. So let me turn it around. Let's see if I can get this right. All right, so we're gonna remove this vent by pulling this up. And then we're gonna come to this side and remove this. Pull this forward. So then we can access all the wires and run the wire through. And then just plug in the access port and then put everything back together and we should be good to go. Alright, so I got the first few steps done, which is remove the factory vent. This little piece right here. Pull the little side piece off, which is this right here. And then I was supposed to pull this down, but then I realized it had a bolt right here. So next thing to do is to run the wire through the top from the access port Just run it down, plug it into the OBD2. Oh no, hold up. I actually got to install the mount. No, the wire, then the mount. There you go. So let me get that done and I'll show you the results. So I finally got it on. It took about 3 to 4 minutes. I thought it was going to be a Phillips screw head, but it actually was an Allen wrench, a really small one. So I got that done. I got the OBD2 port plugged in. Here's the wire. So next thing to do is put everything back together, plug in the access port, and see what I can do from there. Hopefully there's a tune, stage 1, just to get rid of the rev hang. If not, I guess I'll go inside and download, and there you go. So I'll get right back to you in a minute. Alright, so I got it, saving the factory map. Sorry I'm doing it sideways, it's just lighting in the garage and I'm only using my camera, not the mount, so it's kind of hard, but doing what I can right now. And then 100. Okay, what's next? Now it's loading. So I did preload the stage 1 tune, which is just a little bit overstocked. And once I'm done here, I'm gonna go get my GoPro, like I said, and do a little drive. So stay tuned, because like I said, there's a lot more content coming to this car. Alright, the access port is installed, so let me start the car. And I am back, guys, and wow, the car drives amazing. The power band is a lot smoother. You know, normally before, the power would drop off around 4,500 RPMs, and it's kind of like, eh. But now it is all the way up to red line, and it feels incredible. Like, in my honest opinion, it is a must. It's a necessity that you need in this car. No more rev hang or anything like that. The power's there, no more rev hang. It is smooth, and I have no complaints. As for me GoProing it, I couldn't, because the head mount case that I would use for the headband, it actually is for my older GoPro, which I don't even know where it's at. So yeah, I didn't film it, but I did order one on Amazon. It should be here today, tomorrow, whenever. And after the next video, or towards the end of the next video, I would take it for a ride, so you can see and hear how amazing it sounds and feels. But like I said, no complaints. Is a necessity, and I recommend anybody that has a 15 and newer WRX to do this. This should be like one of the first mods, if not the first mod, because you will notice a big difference. But with that being said, please like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned to the next video.